Hi and welcome back to another Thought for the Week video. This week we are talking about the theme of fair trade, because did you know we're actually halfway through Fairtrade fortnight?
I wonder how often you have thought about the stuff you buy and where it comes from, whether that's food, clothes, technology, absolutely everything. Particularly at the moment with shops being closed, we are all doing more shopping online than we usually would. It's as easy as a click of a button. But every single thing you have bought, that item has had a hugely long chain of people working hard to produce that item. From gathering the materials to putting it together, from growing it on their farms. The list goes on.
This year for Fairtrade fortnight, Fairtrade are focusing on the fact that climate change is now having a major impact on farmers across the world. Did you know the stuff that you buy here in the UK actually can impact the lives of other people in the world? Whether that's paying for their wages, the conditions that they are working in, and now it impacts the climate that they are working in as well. We might not necessarily see the impact of climate change here in the UK all that much, but actually it's having a major impact on farmers across the globe. What's amazing is Fairtrade are now supporting farmers to better cope with changes to climate in their regions, as well as helping them better plan for future years to come. If you want to find out more information about what Fairtrade is doing or to support the work that they are doing, why not check out the link in the description below to find out more information.
So, in the very first book of the Bible, in the book of Genesis, God is creating the world. And as part of the creation, he was obviously creating humans. And in verse 27, it says this: "So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them." Now, this verse for Christians is saying that everyone is equal. Everyone is so unique, are so special, and are all just so truly amazing.
As always, we have a challenge for you this week. Why not look for the worksheet in the description below? We want you to think about how you can shape your world. What choices do you have in your life that can impact not just the people around you, but people halfway across the world? That might be speaking out about injustice. That might be seeking out more information about these topics if you actually don't know that much about them. That might be when you're an adult choosing to use your vote and actually being able to change things politically in our country. Or that could be how you spend your money as well.
So as we've gathered, there are so many things that we can do to help the work of Fairtrade. So why not click the link in the description below to find out more about it and find out more about what you can do yourself. Thank you so much for joining us once again, and we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.